Okay, you see, it's triplet time again. So last week I showed you how to play the triplet. And today we bring much more attack, like in flamenco style, Spanish style, the people play. So we don't play the triplet smooth. We put attack inside. So we put more intonation on the one, for example, and it's like you were snicking or flipping with your finger. So you put the thumb across and put more beat, more attack towards the strings. So anyway, if you don't know about what I'm talking and triplet and stuff, check out my how to uke list and see what we did the last few weeks, because I built up every tutorial from the stuff I'm learning and my improvement or my personal process. And I want you to hop on my magic carpet of the ukeverse and learn with me what I'm learning so far. So anyway, we do the triplet strum, the downward. So index, thumb, index, index, thumb, index. And in this case, to put more intonation on the one, like a attack style. Like you're flipping, you're snicking your finger towards the string. And there comes an attack. So you see, you have more power, more intention on the style. Okay. And if you want to do it more in like the flamenco style, they use only those 3 fingers, because the index is the strummer and the other 3 fingers, like middle index and the mean pinky, they were for the attack. Okay? Oha. But I think for easiness, try it just with your index finger. Okay. So if you want me to do a tutorial again with the more a kind of rasgueado technique, let me know it and I do it the next time if you want. So I hope you can enjoy this tutorial about the attack triplet strum to get more powerful or more intention to your first beat. Enjoy and have fun of practicing it, and we see us next week if you want. Love you. See you soon. Doña.